Okay, so CAD 27, we did CAD 26, and we're going to open that one back up again. So we'll come back, we'll open CAD 26 up, and there's the house that we did for CAD 26. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to this one right here. It's like here's save, and right beside it is save as. So we're going to click on save as, and we're going to type in CAD 27. So what basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to come here, delete that 6, put a 7 in its place, and hit enter. So now we've got everything in place. I'm going to erase all of this because we've already got it. Clean slate again. Now, I'm going to go to the layers and I'm going to change where it says plumb. I'm going to change that name. So I'm going to right click on that name and go to rename layer. Back that out and we're going to call it stairs. Okay? Because we got stairs in this one. And now I can close that. Now, we're going to start off drawing walls. So let's change to the walls layer. All right, now back to draw, back to multiline. Now everything we set up in chapter 20 in CAD 26 is still set up in CAD 27. So our wall should be good. We're going to start with 14 feet 8. So I'll start down here, come over, 14'8". Back that up, try that again, and try to go straight this time. Now you see how it kind of does that here. See this button? Now it's only going to go that way. So that'll keep things from flaking out on me. So 14 feet 8 inches. Then we're going to go 25 feet, or excuse me, 28 feet, 35 feet, 25 feet, and then this way is going to be 20 feet 4 inches. And then we just come down kind of close. And we'll hit enter. So now we've got our outline. Now let's come down and zoom. See how it looks kind of goofy? So let's double click it. Now look at this corner joint. Okay, so I'll click that and I'll click. It's just like doing a fillet. Okay, and that cleans up that corner. And we can zoom back out and enter. Now we've got to locate our walls. Okay, so we just look at our dimensions. Okay, so our first one is going to be 10 feet 7 up from this corner. So I'm just going to come over here with a line and go up 10 feet 7. Excuse me, 12 feet 10. My mistake. 12 feet 10. And that's going to do that one. Okay, so we'll go draw multiline. And it's going the wrong way, so we'll draw multiline again. This time we'll change our justification to bottom. So it's drawn on the bottom of the wall. All right, and that'll be 10 feet 7 out. And then we just go up to the top. And I can take these two out. All right, so there's that one. We're going to come over 5 foot 10 and go down 10 feet. So come up 5, 10. Let's see. Yep. And that'll be 10 feet. We'll go over 10 feet 5 and back up. And that's got that one. Now we can take these out. Okay, coming down 4 feet for this one. This isn't going to be a top one. So draw, multi-line, justification. We change it back to top. Come down 4 feet with our marker line. And we'll go back. Draw, multi-line, justification, top. And this will come out 4 foot 4. Oop. Change the justification. I should have left it alone. Bottom. There we go. 4 feet 4 inches. Next one's coming up 9 foot 2. And this one will change to bottom. So draw, multi-line, justification. Bottom. And gotta change that to top. There we go. We want it to go that way. Now, that's going to be 13.4 plus 5, so 13.9. Don't get that, add that 5 inches for your wall thickness, and that's gonna come down right there. And we can erase these. All right, so there's all our walls. Okay, remember to double click one of the walls and pick open T, and then do your leg first, and then second will be that, okay? So first is the leg, second is the T. And it'll highlight when you're on it. The more Fortnite you play, the easier it will be to aim. Of course, if you don't like Fortnite, there's always Apex Legends or something similar. All right, so that's got all our corners done. All right, so once again, we're on the wall there. We're going to save this. Remember, we already saved it and renamed it CAD27, so all we have to do is hit the save button. Our walls are done. All right, so time to do doors. So we'll just change to the doors layer. Okay, and we'll start marking where our doors are at. All right, so this one's going to be 1'1", so we'll come up 1'1". And that's going to be a 2'8" door, so offset 2 feet 8 inches. All right. This one's going to be 2'4". It's going to be 7 feet this way. Offset 2'4". Don't forget that apostrophe for feet. Okay. Got a door kind of right in the middle of this one, so I'm just going to draw a line right in the middle. And it's, I'm going to stretch that out a little. It says 2'11". We're just going to offset 1'6" in both directions. This one, we're going to come out 3 feet 1 inch, and that's the center of the door. Then we'll offset that 1'6" in both directions. It's already set to 1'6", so we'll just do one there, and we'll erase the center. Now, I think we only have 2 doors left. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Come up 3 feet 7, and we'll offset 2'8". Another one that's 3'11" off this way. And that one also offset 2'8". And then we'll trim. Trim in the middle. And that's all of our doors. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to freeze the walls there. So the sun, right? It says freezes the walls, so we're going to freeze that. Now, I'm just going to grab everything and delete it. Now, I'm going to go back and unfreeze the walls layer. Ta-da. That's an easy way to get everything instead of having to go back and pick and be careful and try not to pick something. You can just freeze a layer and then erase everything on another layer or whatever. However you want to do it. That's the way I did it. It's easy for me. So now we're just going in and draw doors. Now remember, they have it drawn this way and that's wrong. Okay, now, see, now's when we got to change this again. So we can go back and put it back on Pac-Man, okay? And he's already set to 45 degrees, and that's 2'8". And we'll use that center starting in, remember. Center, and go counterclockwise, okay? This one's 2'4". Use that again, pick, go counterclockwise, okay? This one's 3 feet. Counterclockwise. This one they have an opening this way, 2'8". And counterclockwise on this one means you'll start at the door and go to the wall instead of starting at the wall and go to the door. And this one's 2'8" as well. And this one will be your last one. That's 3 feet. See what happens if you go the wrong way? Always go counterclockwise. So there's all of our doors. Okay, and windows work the same way as the last one. Okay, so I'll do windows, and we're just going to do the midpoints again. You can also just space bar twice. All right, so there's ours. Now, once again, this one is 5 feet. The rest of them are 4 feet. So let's offset. We'll go ahead and do the 2'6" for the 5 foot windows first. That's here. And that one. And then the other ones are 2 feet. So offset 2 feet. Alright, and we'll trim. See, I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone sometimes. Now, I'm going to delete all the lines except for this window here. This one I'm just going to trim off. And we'll zoom in and we'll do our offsets first. Remember 2 inches, right? And then we just draw our lines in. So we got one here, space bar twice, one down the middle, space bar twice, one down here, space bar once. All right, so there's our window. Now I'm just going to take that and copy it everywhere. So copy. All right. Now we're going to do some rotations. Do this one, rotate, pick the corner, straight up. Rotate, pick the corner, straight up. All right, so now we got to stretch, right? So I'm going to zoom in here. Stretch, right to left, right click, pick, stretch. All right, repeat, stretch. One there, and stretch, and we'll pick one there, and that's got that in. Now all we got left to do is stairs. We'll do those really quickly. So we'll go to the stairs layer. I'm going to draw a line up 1 foot, 1 apostrophe, and then come across like so. Now I can erase that line. We're going to offset 11 inches, so 11 with nothing behind it. We need 8 lines total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, I'm going to go back to draw, multi-line. We're going to change our justification to 0. All right, draw, multi-line, okay. Start there, come up just a little bit, and then come past it just a little bit. And there's that. Now, we can trim these 3. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to go very carefully through the middle of this and get those. And there is our stair. So, save that, and we're ready to print. So let's go to plot. Don't forget to put that on monochrome, okay? Change this to AutoCAD PDF, center the plot, hit OK, and save it. And you're done. Okay, we'll see you for CAD 28.